2. This is Joel. Oh!
You're good. Oh, it's us!
There we go.
We're good. Hey. Well, hey. Hey! Joel. There you go. Oh, you're good. You're good. Hey. Oh, hey. Let's do it. Oh, you. We're good. Starts right now. No. Oh, hey, that's you're good. Oh, it's us!
We're gonna have to watch that back. The Kyle kick of 2021. Should we cut that out?
What a fucking foul.
I think I was filming that.
Yeah, Kyle, any pregame thoughts? Kyle?
What?
Pregame thoughts?
Pre-game thoughts?
Getting fouled, no call. Kenny pulls from deep, air balls to the puddle. Kyle gets inside the paint. Ooh, crosses over, spins. Puts it in. Well, I don't think he stayed in. To the left hand. Combo of Kyle and Pat are undefeated at the moment. And Pat drills the 3. Their side. Spins. Off the glass. Oh, almost got it to go. They got a 2-on-0. And Joel pulls from the corner. Drives middle of the court. Passes down to Kyle for a good look. Puts it in. 5-2. Offensive foul. We'll have to watch the tape back on that one. Pat pulls from deep. Long rebound. Oh, great. Save. Oh, he almost throws it in. No, did that go in? Kyle dribbling around. It's his 3rd crossover. Bumps, dishes back out. Pat with a good pass. Kyle didn't see it. Dribbles, goes up strong. No good. Joel Joel fights the rebound, gets it. Oh, has to save it back into Kenny. He does. Kyle makes sure it's collected. Oh, almost loses it. Oh. Oh, I don't know. That was really close.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen, bro.
Pat from 2. This is Joel. Oh.
Two. This is Joel. Oh.
We're doing this baby.
That was a pretty good save right there from Joel. Kyle left corner, the right corner, excuse me. Kenny digs out the steal. Tight defense. Joel spots up.
Joel spots up.
Ooh. Kyle spins in for 1. Get a jet flying through. Kenny drives in for 2. Oh, almost got it. That's a big shot. Kenny for 3. Pat for the free throw line. Gets the bounce.
Free throw line.
Kyle penetrates. Oh, almost a block for Joel.
I cannot dribble. Shot.